When you guys think about bringing an apprentice on, how do you set them up for success before they even start? I mean, you talked about mentorship, the importance of it. How do you think of it? And maybe help people in the audience who don't know how to get started. How do they start? And people who have maybe tried it in the past but didn't give it the proper setup to be successful. What could they do to make it successful in the future?
Kaner Vocational Technical School, which is about only 3 miles from Noujaim Tool Company.
Which one?
Kaner.
Kaner, yep.
Kaner in Waterbury.
Yep.
We bring them in when they are freshmen in the machine tool program. They call it precision machining. They come in to visit us when they are freshmen, and we give them a tour. We just buy them donuts and orange juice, and we give them a tour. And what we do is, we don't have the journeymen give them the tour. We will have the young people give them the tour. The apprentices give the tour to the freshmen. And they give them a tour. They show them the place and everything. And basically, when that happens, and when we are telling them about the company, I kind of look to see who's really most interested. And many, many times, some of the students who are freshmen will come up to either to me or to my brother or to my nephew, and they say, geez, one of these days I'd like to work here. What I say to them, give me your name, take their name, and they say, when you get to be 16, call me. And that's how we get them in, because we see the potential in their eyes. We see who wants to work and who wants to learn and who wants to improve themselves and be an asset to our society.